Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we are going to present to you about our assignment, which is about variable valve timing. Our group chose Variocam system, which is introduced by the Porsche. These are my group members, which are consist of 6 people. Okay, my name is Adam Daniel bin Edi Bakli Fatani. Without further ado, let's start our presentation with the introduction. Variocam system are already been introduced by the Porsche 968 in 1992. Porsche 968 was the first model that used the Variocam technology. In 1997, the Boxster 986 was equipped with the Variocam, and all subsequent Porsche power plants have incorporated digital electronic cam timing control. In 1995, Porsche did introduce Variocam, a clever mechanism which varied the inlet track length to enhance torque at lower speed without stifling breathing at high revolutions.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will explain you about the theory of operation the Variocam system. Okay, on figure 1 we can see about the outside of the Variocam system. Here the explanation about the basic setting of the outside component. Okay, on figure 2 there are explanation about the inside of the system on the basic setting. Okay, for easily understand, I will explain on this video. Okay, when the speed shift 1300 rpm, the solenoid will send signal for the hydraulic system on the Variocam to tension the timing chain downward. Okay, when the speed shift 4000 rpm, the solenoid will send the signal to the hydraulic system on the Variocam to back to the initial position of the tensioner. Okay, next about the explanation about the height torque setting. On the figure 3 there are explanation about the outside of the system when the height torque setting. Okay, on the figure 4 there are explanation about the inside of the system when the system on a high torque setting mode. Okay, on the figure they are show you the 3 different color. They are about the pressure of the oil pressure on the system work. When the red color, they are high pressure. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syafiq Amiruddin bin Suhaimi. Today I will present about system technology diagram. This is Variocam. After Variocam, Porsche produced a new technology which is Variocam Plus. In Variocam Plus, it has 3 cam lobes here. Variocam Plus also has low cam and fast cam. how it works, let's see this video. The gear moves to the left and to the right. Function of the gear move to the left and to the right. To change the coordinate of the camshaft, as you can see, this is for low RPM or low cam. In low RPM, the valve opens a little bit. It can save fuel. Okay, this is low RPM. How it works in low RPM. After the pin lock, it changes to high RPM or fast cam. In high RPM, the cam move more bigger. This is how Variocam Plus works. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I am Anifah Nabiti Muhammad Rashid, and today I would like to present about the advantage for VVT. What is VVT? VVT is a valve variable timing. For the car, for the Porsche car is a Variocam. So there are some advantage that I want to share with you. So the first advantage is a Variocam system is relatively simple than Variocam Plus and VTEC. We can see the previously Variocam Plus include the mechanism how the valve open and close. But Variocam just only we can know how the mechanism to tension, change and to lose it. Second advantage is variable cam facing improver torque delivered at the low or medium revision. Variable lift and duration improve at high revision power. Third advantage is a precise the adjustment for the valve opening and closing time. And the last advantage is respond quickly to any sudden need for power, conversely to a more reserved style of driving in the city traffic. That's all.
So next, we will present the advantages of Variocam for Porsche. The first point is slightly more complex and expensive. As we know, the mechanical components are more complex but pay off in torque and lift hours the effects. Second one is Variocam 5-chain flat 6 engine came with some problem. Here are some of the most common repairs that we came across. First, air oil separator failure. If the air oil separator goes out, oil can get into the intake and lead to performance issue. Next, intermediate shaft bearing failure. After years of use, oil can get past the bearing seal causing premature wear. Next, Variocam solenoid failure. If one side fails, it can lead to an off-killer idle and allow moisture in that wheel causing corrosion and engine failure. Then, some more such as rod bolt failure, rear main seal leak, oil starvation due to build in oil slump crack in cylinder lining.
So here are some improvement and our own opinions toward this system. For the improvement of this system, maybe Porsche should come up with a solution regarding the problem that related to oiling and premature engine failure. This is commonly feedback that Porsche get from the customer for this system. So secondly, the user should use high quality oil and filter that highly recommended by the Porsche. As we know that high quality oil can absorb high temperature, and the capability of high quality oil to absorb high temperature is very good compared to the low quality oil. So why I say this? Because let's see to this diagram. These are the timing chain and the solenoid inside the Porsche engine. As we can see here, this solenoid can go upward and downward, depend on the RPM. So at this area, there are some friction happen, and it can cause the chain to wear. So maybe Porsche should come out with the idea that maybe they can put something that can roll and rotate to prevent the chain to be wear. So there's some improvement that can Porsche take action. So lastly, for the maintenance and inspection, the user itself should go to the Porsche specialist, because Porsche specialists can do the proper inspection and maintenance to their car. So there's no other side effect if they go to the common mechanic. So these are some improvement that they can do to the system, and maybe the user also should take action. Finally, here are some of our opinions about the technology in the future. Due to the continuously increasing for the fuel price, internal combustion engine will be replaced by it's not impossible. The internal combustion engine will be replaced to the electric vehicle, because electric vehicle just use electric, and we know that electric are more low cost than fuel. Secondly, electric vehicle also can reduce more emission compared to ICE vehicle. As we know that electric vehicle there's no components such as valve, piston. So in electric vehicle, they don't need combustion process which will produce hydrocarbon, carbon monoxide, and so on. So electric vehicle is more green compared to ICE vehicle. Thirdly, as we know that Tesla already go ahead compared to any other automotive company towards produce electric vehicle that can purchase by anyone. They want to reduce the price for the electric vehicle. So they do some research and produce good lithium-ion battery with low cost. So they already open their second gigafactory which produce this battery in China, I think. Besides, they already have one in the US. So lastly, electric vehicles are more reliable in terms of maintenance. Why I say like this? This is because for the ICE vehicles, they are consist of around 2,000 and plus moving parts, which is can wear and need maintenance time to time. compared to electric vehicle, they consist around 20 moving part, 20 moving part only. So it's more reliable in terms of maintenance compared to the ICE vehicle. So thank you for your attention.